My name is Ivy Kate Ramazan. It's 9 years and 3 months. I'm a widow. I have one little girl. She is 13 years old. I am 34 years old. I'm 5'2", and I'm 64 kilo. No, I don't have any tattoo. Pardon? Oh, no, ma'am. Yes, I did. I have a hypertension. I take already amlodipine. I regularly take doctor. Yes, yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.